Okay, so I was told that you're supposed to bring your first bag with just your clothes, like hairbrush, straightener, the things that you're gonna take on semester at sea but then bring back home with you as well. And then your second bag is supposed to be like snacks, maybe like hair care products, things that when you use them, they're just gone, they're thrown away, things that you are not bringing back home with you after the voyage. So that is what I did. My second bag is mostly going to be snacks, and maybe just like a few things that cause my first bag to go over weight limit, like notebooks or hangers, just small things like that. But I thought I would show you what I have for snacks. My mother for Christmas bought me a whole bunch of my favorite snacks to bring with me, so I am super excited about that. So yeah, I guess I'll just show you what I got. I have Pop-Tarts. I'm not a morning person and I'm afraid I'm gonna miss breakfast. And the Lido and Berlin restaurants, it's the only two places that have like actual food. The pool bar has food, but the cafeteria, Lido, Berlin restaurants are only open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They're not open outside of those times, so if you're hungry, your only other options are to buy food from the pool bar, and I think maybe the library has food to buy, but I don't want to be spending all of my money on buying snacks, so I have Pop-Tarts just in case I miss breakfast. On that same note, I hope that they have like milk that you can just get, because I have Oreos and Chips Ahoy, and nothing says breakfast like milk and Oreos. All of my snacks that I got were pre-packaged and things that I can just bring on shore with me too when I'm in the other countries, because again, I don't want to be spending all of my money on snacks. So I have things like granola bars and gummies because they're pretty easy to just throw in a bag. Honestly, all of the snacks that I got are just kind of easy to throw in a bag. Along that same note, I have Cheez-Its and Goldfish. I'm running out of room with all the snacks. I also have Teddy Grahams, Nutter Butters, and the Cheese Ritz things. They're good. Also for like in country travel, maybe if I go hiking or something, I have trail mix because I figured it's probably higher in protein and on the healthier end of snacks. And then, so I heard a rumor, and also I think past voyagers have talked about this, that the ship runs out of peanut butter like halfway through the voyage or something like that, and they replace it with whatever peanut butter they can get, and it's just not as good, or it's just different than what we have in America. And I am a Jif girl. I don't like any other brand of peanut butter, so bringing 2 things of peanut butter with me. Also, since it was just Christmas, my family does stockings, and when we do stockings, we normally put like candies and stuff in them. So I have Mr. Snowman is full of candy and like other snacks like gummies and just like small little snacks like that. I'm probably gonna go through the bag more and weed out some of this because I don't need to bring all this with me, and decide what I'm gonna give to my brother, because my brothers are probably gonna get the rest of my candy because I won't be here to eat it. I also probably am gonna change the bag because Mr. Snowman is cute, but I think maybe he's not the semester at sea vibe, or maybe he is, but I still don't think he gets to come. So that is what I will be doing next. But yeah, that's just the snacks that I'm gonna bring. The only other thing that's gonna go in my second suitcase that isn't just leftover from my first suitcase is gonna be like toiletries, because you use those up as well. They recommended have the second suitcase of things that you use up, so that way you can fill it back up with souvenirs that you buy in all the other countries. So this is things that I'm going to put in my toiletry bag that is now empty, but will be packed back up. I'm bringing lotions because the water is like ocean water that they desalinate and chlorinate, but apparently it's harsh on your skin. My mom's friend also makes like lotion bars, so I'm bringing I think 3 of those because I just really like them. Small plug, but they're good. She also makes like soaps, and this one is my all-time favorite. So I'm bringing this with me because it just smells really good. Makes me happy. Obviously, toothbrush, toothpaste. I just have the travel sizes, but I figured I could buy more when I'm in Dubai or whatever other country. Since I'm going to be on a ship and it's really windy, I've got chapsticks. I get EOS. That's just a personal preference. Kleenex, because I feel like those are important. I also have like antibacterial hand wipes, but also just like makeup wipes because I feel like that could be useful. I don't know. Face moisturizer for the same reason of all the lotions, because you're going to be on a ship and it's windy and salt water, and I don't want it to dry my skin out because I already have dry skin as is. For the first few countries we're going to, malaria is a risk, and while I'm going to take malaria meds, I was also recommended to get like this kind of lotion for bug prevention because you can't have bug spray. Supposedly we're not allowed to have aerosol cans or sunscreen, stuff like that, so have this. Also Q-tips for makeup purposes. Also, it costs money to do your laundry on the ship, so I have little, it's called sink suds. They're just individual packaged laundry detergent so that you can do your laundry in the sink. And I also have a clothesline that's got like clips on it that attaches to either side of a shower so that you can dry your clothes. And then on that same note, Tide to Go pins because I'm prone to staining clothes. And then I have Downy wrinkle release spray because for the field classes you're supposed to dress professional and I don't want to be wrinkly, but all of my clothes have to fit into a suitcase, so wrinkle release. And then just a tiny little brush because I just use tiny little brushes, I guess. But yeah, that's really all that's going to go in my toiletries bag. I'm also bringing Reef Safe sunscreen, but it's not going to fit in the toiletries bag. But that's included in all of this. And I think that's all that I'm packing for that.